My name is Mala. I'm an Oxygen Advantage functional breathwork instructor and classical Pilates teacher. And this exercise from Oxygen Advantage called Breathe Light is done at rest. If you start learning functional breathwork at rest, you'll then be able to apply this during movement. This exercise is suitable for everyone, except for pregnant women in their first trimester or anyone with a serious health condition. And if you have panic disorder, this exercise should be done with caution, meaning you might want to take a break from time to time. The aim of this exercise is to create a tolerable air hunger. That means it should feel like you want to take a bigger breath, but not so much that it stresses your body out. This exercise will reduce your sensitivity to the buildup of carbon dioxide, help improve oxygen delivery, activate the rest and digest response, normalize your breathing volume so you don't overbreathe, and help anchor your mind like a meditation, which all in turn will help you breathe better during your workout. Because if your breathing isn't functional, your movement won't be functional. Sit on a chair, or cross-legged on the floor, or even lying on your back with bent legs. If you're sitting, imagine there's a string coming out the top of your head, and I'm pulling it up to the sky. Feel your spine lift and lengthen and create space between your ribs. With your mouth closed and jaw relaxed, I want you to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. You can place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly to feel your breath, or simply rest your hands on your lap or at your sides. Observe the air as it enters your nose and as it exits your nose. Feel the slightly colder air enter your nose and slightly warmer air leave your nose. If you notice your mind has started to wander, that's okay, it's normal. Just recognize that your mind is wandering and then bring your attention back to your breath. Taking a slow inhale through the nose and a long, gentle, relaxed exhale through your nose. You might feel your chest move up and down or your belly move in and out. Don't try to adjust anything at this point. Simply stay aware of your breathing. Follow your breath as you take a soft inhale through the nose and a slow and relaxed exhale through your nose. Slow down the speed of the air as it enters the nose and exits the nose. Your breath should be slow, quiet, and still. You shouldn't hear yourself breathing. Now try placing a finger underneath your nostrils. Take a slow inhale, hardly feeling any air into your lungs. And as you exhale, it should be so quiet that you barely feel the air on your finger. Breathe so light that the fine hairs in your nose don't move. The air should leave your body effortlessly. It's important to not interfere with your breathing muscles. There should be no tension in any of the muscles around your chest or belly. You should now be breathing a smaller volume of air than when you started this exercise. The goal of this exercise is to feel a want or hunger for air, as if you want to take a bigger breath. But the air hunger you feel in this exercise should be tolerable. If you start to breathe faster, feel involuntary contractions in your breathing muscles, or feel panic rising in you, then the air hunger is too much. If this happens, stop and breathe normally for about 30 seconds or until your breathing rhythm has normalized and you don't feel stressed. Then resume the exercise and try to create a tolerable air hunger. Make sure you don't interfere with your breathing muscles. Don't hold your breath. Don't freeze your breath. Allow your breathing to soften. Take a slow breath in. Feel your body totally relax as you gently exhale. You can lower your finger now if you want, but you can always place the finger back under your nose if you want to get that feedback from your exhale. Once again, it's a slow breath in, almost as if you're not breathing. And as you breathe out, feel your body relax, allowing the air to leave your body effortlessly. A soft breath in and a slow, gentle, relaxed breath out. Your breathing volume should be less than it normally is. Think about inhaling only 80% of what you normally would. And take a gentle, slow, and quiet exhale. By breathing in a smaller volume of air, you're increasing carbon dioxide in the blood, which creates the feeling of wanting to take in more air. This feeling of air hunger is a sign that you're doing the exercise correctly and training to normalize your breath volume. Continue to take a soft breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. It is normal for your mind to start to wander. If you notice your mind wandering, bring your attention back to your breath, taking a slow breath in and feel completely relaxed as you exhale. Slow breath in and a relaxed, gentle exhale. A slow breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. And now, as we finish this exercise, go back to breathing normally and just take note of how you feel. Do you feel calmer than when you started? Did the temperature of your hands change over the exercise? Is your mouth watery or dry? Let me know how you feel in the comments. If you'd like to learn more about Oxygen Advantage functional breathwork and my offerings, check out the link below in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.